can't have enough. Parmigiano Reggiano. Oh. I blame Tucker for this, I'm just saying. Oh. Can we do a twirl? Do a twirl? Oh, that's perfect. Oh. Here we go. Oh. It's so deep. It's just like, it reminds you a little of Parmesan, but then you get hit with the Reggiano. I'm just saying. Oh, this is delicious. Holy cow. And serving for one. 4 ounces makes a really nice bowl of pasta. Oh, jeez. Oh, oh, oh! Yeah. Hey! Oh, this is heart attack food, man. Butter. Oh. We gotta put some pepper on. We need some fresh pepper. Oh. Oh, I can smell the pepper, you know. Oh. My dad avoided cream pasta like the plague. Probably because it's so rich. And yet, he loved ice cream, chocolate cake, and apple pie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey! That is delicious. Just come on, just a little more, okay? I love the cheese. Holy cow. Thanks for joining me this Tuesday for no cream, no theatrics, Fettuccine Alfredo. Oh. Oh, boy. Oh, are we doing one more bite? Are we doing one more bite? This. Come on. Okay. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.